Hello buddies, welcome back to Capersway. In this video, I'll be showing you all the products which I've purchased for my upcoming US travel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Coming to the two main essential things, check-in bags and cabin bags. When it comes to check-in bags, in Qatar, the baggage allowance dimensions are 158 centimeters. But one of my friends suggested that we'll not only be traveling in Qatar, so basically in future we may be going in Emirates or Etihad. So we have to purchase a baggage which is, which satisfies the dimensions for all the airlines. When it comes to Emirates, the dimensions of the check-in bag, it's given 150 centimeters. So I've purchased two medium-sized bags so that it can fit into any airlines. This is the first bag which I purchased. This is from Carlton. It's basically an Indian company, VIP. VIP actually has three types of bags. One, it's their own company, VIP, and the second one is Aristocrat, which is affordable, and this is Carlton. So this is the premium one. So this one, it's 146 centimeters dimension. As you can see, there's a TSA lock, and even the wheels, it has 8 wheels. I even looked at the large one in Carlton, but it's going up to 166 and 168, which are like very huge. So this is the first suitcase, and this costed me 9,400 after discount. So this is the first one, Carlton, and this is the second one. So this is the second one, Samsonite. So the dimensions of this, it's 144 centimeters, and once again it's a medium size, and the TSA lock it's given here, and even this comes with 8 wheels. I guess this 8 wheels is quite important, since if you're carrying a huge luggage, it will be quite useful. And the price of this is 11,700. I just love the color of this and the shiny surface, but as you all know, after this one goes into the flight, there'll be a lot of scratches on this. So this is one bag, and this is the second bag. After purchasing those two bags, I inquired with seniors, and they told me plus or minus 5 to 10 centimeters, it doesn't matter, since they won't check the dimension, but the weight is quite important. So then I thought maybe I'll take one more bag which is equal to 158, plus or minus nearby 158 centimeters. Then I purchased one more bag. So I'll show you that one now. This is the third bag which I purchased, and this is from Tommy Hilfiger. And the dimensions for this are 158.5 centimeter. As you can see here, 54.5, 29, 75. So the dimensions for this 158.5, it's okay, they will allow this. It also has TSA lock, and this one also comes with 8 wheels. So when you compare the size of this, basically I'll not be carrying this. I'll just leave it at home for my parents, since this is quite, it looks very stylish and very cool. So I don't want to spoil this suitcase. I'll leave this at home. But this one, I'll be taking this. Since this is 146 centimeters, this is 144. So when compared, this is a bit small. So I'll be taking this 146. And when you compare these two side by side, the Carlton one and Tommy Hilfiger, you will know the difference. So basically this is 146 and this is 158.5. The difference is between the height and the width. So yeah, I'll be taking this is my primary suitcase, and this will be my second one. And I forgot to mention the price. It's given here 9,000, but I got this for 7,200. Now coming to the second most important baggage, that's the cabin baggage. So the dimensions are 50 into 37 into 25 in Qatar. So now let's look at the cabin baggage which I purchased. So this is the cabin baggage which I ordered. It's from the company Assembly. Basically it's satisfying all the dimensions, and even this has TSA lock, and there are double wheels. And one more thing which I wanted was, I wanted a laptop compartment, since my laptop is a gaming one. In Qatar website, it's given that you shouldn't carry extra bag for a laptop. The laptop also should go into the cabin baggage. So I purchased this since it had a laptop compartment. And they have mentioned that even 15-16 inches laptop will fit in this. The problem which I got was, look at this. This is my gaming laptop, Dell. As you can see this, it doesn't fit inside. So there are two problems with this bag. First, my laptop doesn't fit, and if I push it from behind, it falls like this. So basically it's very Oh shit, just a minute. Basically my laptop, it's 3 kgs. My laptop basically is 3 kgs, so it doesn't, this bag doesn't stand that weight and it just simply falls. I've already returned this cabin bag and I'll be buying a backpack since it's quite useful. You will have a laptop compartment and just you can even keep some 1 or 2 pairs of clothes and your passport, important documents, everything. So I'll be buying a backpack, not a trolley suitcase or an overnighter. So the next product which I purchased was a combo from Amazon, a neck pillow and an eye mask. So this is the neck pillow. It was quite comfortable, and this is the eye mask. So this combo costed me 350 rupees. The next product, I purchased packing cubes to efficiently pack my clothes. Don't know how useful they will be, but it cost me 700. Basically they have given 4 pieces, 2 large and 2 medium. So let's keep this aside. The next product which I purchased was while scrolling Instagram. I got recommended and purchased this vacuum ziplock. So it makes space for more things. This huge amount of clothes, after using this ziplock cover, it's compressed this into this. So this is quite useful actually. As you can see, before, after, you will be given cover and you will be given a pump to suck out the air. So basically this one I just purchased since it will be useful for just compressing things, not save any weight, but only to save some space. And this costed me 750 rupees. Basically it's 1400, but I think but after 50% discount, so I got pack of 5, 2 small bags, 2 medium and 1 large. So this is 750. So 3 products. So the next product which I purchased is an universal adapter. I was not able to find the new one, so I'm just showing you the old one. This is the old universal adapter which I have. So this is for USA, Japan, Europe, and this is for UK. So if you just move it to unlock, this will come out and you should press it and then lock it back. This is for Europe, as this is the old one. These are bent actually. And yeah, this one also is same thing. So this universal adapter cost me 150. I just bought this on a roadside electric shop. So this one I'll be keeping this with me, but I'll also purchase a good one from Amazon. I just checked some universal adapter from Amazon. It was around 750 or 850, so I'll be taking that too. So I'll carry this one and that one for safety side. The next product is thermals. Recently I visited Bangalore and I purchased from Decathlon. So I purchased 2 pairs. Each pair cost me 1400, so a total of 2800 for thermals. The definition of thermal is producing heat, so you have to use them only during harsh cold weathers. It was quite comfortable. If you have a Decathlon nearby, you can just go there and purchase your thermals. There are thermals available even at Jockey store, so just go there and compare with Jockey and Decathlon, and which is good you can just purchase. The next product, which is quite important, I purchased recently, are innerwears. I bought around 10 pairs of them from Jockey and each pair was 400 rupees. One innerwear 400 rupees. And on the box it was written NYC edition, so New York City edition. So I just purchased them and it was 400 per piece, so it cost me 400 into 10, 4000 for innerwears. And the next product, I even purchased this from Jockey. These were pyjamas and track pant, so each costed me 1400. I just purchased 2 of them since I had some old tracks with me, and it costed me 2800. So the next clothing was shirts. I purchased shirts from United Colors of Benetton, Zara, Flying Machine, Linen, and Parks. So basically from these companies I purchased some shirts. So totally it cost me around 9000 for shirts. Coming to trousers, I had some old ones, so I just purchased only 2 pairs of trousers, which costed me around 1600. And the next product is for just casual wear. I bought some t-shirts from Decathlon and from Myntra. So this costed me around 1500 to 1600. And the next product is formals. So when it comes to formals, I purchased 2 formal shirts and 1 formal trouser from Louis Philippe, and this cost me around 10,000. And the next products are related to the utensils. So basically I have just made a list what I've purchased. I'll just read out. I have purchased some spoons, forks, tawa, pan, cooker, fry pan, glass and plates. So basically all this costed me around 5000 to 6000, since the pressure cooker itself was 3000. So other things, they just cost me around 2000 to 2500. So total cost me around 6000. The next one are the shoes, which are highly recommended not to purchase in India, as you'll be getting a lot of varieties for some best prices in USA. So basically, whatever shoes you have or whatever flip-flops you have, just carry them, don't buy anything. Even with me, I'm not buying anything. I just have a pair of Skechers and Reebok and a flip-flop from Neiman's. So I'll be just carrying this and I'll not buy anything as of now. I'll buy some winter wear near the Niagara Falls. I just heard from seniors that they'll be having a winter sale where you will be getting all the jackets, boots. So I'll just purchase all the winter wear in Buffalo. And coming to the next product which I purchased from Amazon, these are the Ziploc covers. I know everyone are aware of this. So I just bought this whole pack, and in this you'll be getting 1, 2, 3, and there's one more. So you'll be getting 4 boxes, and this costed me around 325 rupees. This one you can use to keep medicines or any other spices or something. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Since it was not some kind of professional video, it was just a type of vlog, and I just wanted to show you what are the things which I purchased. And I'm also a bit new to this kind of making videos, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all support me in these kind of videos also, not only videos related to some professional things like GRE, TOEFL or visa related. I guess you'll also support me in making these kind of videos too. And even I enjoyed a lot showing all the products which I purchased. I'll also update you guys with other video, like what are the new things or the new products I'll be purchasing later. I'll also show you how I packed and what I'll be packing, what I'll be carrying with me and what you should not carry. Everything I'll make a video. Hope you guys got an idea how much you should be spending for all these products, and how much you should spend on yourself basically. So just start buying things and start packing. That's it for this video, guys. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.